Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Call Me If You Get Lost by Tyler, the Creator. Amazing album, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 KO Chicago's. I was able to get these off of the sneakers app, and yes, I know I'm a little bit late, I'm a couple weeks late, but I got a size 9. Retail was $140. I think I paid like $155, I think, after tax and shipping. And yeah, man, let's just take these out. It comes in a nice orange box, and as you can see, UPS messed up my box a little bit, but it's cool. Here we got the shoes. Take these out real quick. And yeah, here we got them. So obviously these did sell out. They don't actually go for much right now. Like I said, retail was only like $140, so resale right now is around $180 to $200. That isn't too bad, especially if you want these for a personal. I suggest picking them up now. But yeah, it just sucks that like a lot of people don't appreciate this shoe for what it is. Like if you don't have $1,000 to spend on Jordan 1s, like this is just a perfect alternative. Honestly, I would love this shoe so much more if it did just have that red, like, I don't know, color blocking back there, but honestly it doesn't really matter too much. I love it just the way it is. So yeah, let's talk about materials real quick. Pretty much the whole shoe is just a canvas, and then the swoosh is leather. This part up here is like a leather plasticky material, and this is leather right here. And then this part is actually very soft. I do want to point that out. It also comes with extra laces. You have red, white, and black laces. On the inside, you have the model number and the size. That's a size 9. The tongue, it seems a lot more skinny than regular Jordan 1 tongues. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, there's that too. You can also see that aged midsole right there, and with the bottom, it is a little bit different than a regular Jordan 1. You have a little bit extra lines right here, and then the circles are a little bit lower, I believe, and then this one's just a little bit more wide. You can also see that the bottom of the shoe is a little bit lifted right there, almost as if you had heel drag on a regular Jordan 1. So yeah, pretty cool design. I'm not really sure if it like does anything when you're walking, but yeah, it's there. Next we have that little, I don't know what this is called, but like a little, I genuinely don't know what this is called, but that's on the back of the shoe. This I'm not really a big fan of, but I just ignore it, especially since it's on the back. You also have these nice little like lace holes right here. It's like a nice metal material on these as well. And yeah, overall this is just a really great shoe, and I was really hyped up when I got these for retail, man. Like I genuinely really wanted this shoe. I've been offered the Chicago Jordan 1 so many times, and I just never picked it up for some reason. So I'm happy that I was finally able to get a Chicago shoe in my collection. Obviously over time we are going to upgrade this to a regular Chicago Jordan 1, but this will do for now. Oh, and I don't know about you guys, personally I think this is a lot better than like a Jordan 1 Chicago mid. So if you're thinking about getting this or like a Jordan mid, I think getting this one is a lot better. So yeah, that's enough talking. I'm gonna just spin the shoe around for you guys so you guys can get a nice look at it. So yeah, man, it's just a really great shoe, and I'm really happy I was able to get these for retail, and the fact that a lot of people were actually able to get these. These weren't too hard to get. Obviously they did sell out though, but I feel like if you actually tried to get these, you had a pretty good chance. So yeah, this is just a great alternative to a regular Jordan 1, and as you can see right there, it actually says AJKO right there on like the little wing. Oh, and let's talk about sizing real quick before we end off the video. I wear a size 9, and these fit exactly like every single Jordan 1. That's true to size, and for me that's size 9. For you might be a little bit different. I suggest going out and trying on a pair of Jordan 1s, even if it's like a pair of mids or something, it should fit exactly like that. But if for whatever reason you can't, just go true to size and you should be fine. So yeah, that's everything you need to know about the Air Jordan 1 Chicago KOs. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.